We asked for postponement until the June 13 in order to read the report, meet with my client, meet with the Crown attorney to decide what we'll do on the 13th.
The bus driver who allegedly drove into a daycare in Laval, north of Montreal last February, killing 2 young children and injuring 6 others, was back in court Wednesday via video conference from the Pinel Psychiatric Institute. Pierre-Ny Saint-Amand is charged with 2 counts of first-degree murder and 7 other charges. He's been deemed fit to stand trial but underwent a psych evaluation to see if he can be held criminally responsible. A 22-page report on his mental state was delivered and sealed in court Wednesday morning. The defense and the Crown both say they need time to study the findings.
There's the medical side and the legal side. It's not because he's found necessarily not criminally responsible regarding a medical expert that legally it's not responsible. So that's why we have to do some work depending on the decision it is, either way.
Saint-Amand was emotionless during his hearing as he learned the contents of the report would remain between the judge and the lawyers. It's sealed to avoid the public becoming aware of what's in the report. It contains personal information both on the file and the situation of Mr. Saint-Amand. Both lawyers say the next weeks are meant to establish the avenues in which they'll proceed with the case.
It's really a battle of experts. If the defense attorney reads the report today and not satisfied, you can rest assured that they're going to get their own expert to go over this, and vice versa. If the Crown is not satisfied, they might ask for a complementary expertise.
Saint-Amand was judged fit to stand trial on February 24th after an initial psychiatric evaluation, but his lawyer asked for another assessment to evaluate his mental state at the time of the alleged offenses.
If it's deemed that he's criminally not responsible for this, he will that means he actually did the act, but he was not in his right state of mind. He couldn't say right from wrong. It doesn't mean he gets to walk out free in society.
The prosecutor said she believes Saint-Amand would be transferred to a detention center because the evaluation was complete, but his lawyer said he would remain at the psychiatric hospital until his next court date. He didn't give a reason for the continued hospitalization other than it's likely based on a treatment plan. Saint-Amand is due back in court June 13th when the findings of the report are expected to be presented, whether he can be held criminally responsible for his February 8th actions. In Laval, Alyssia Rubertucci, City News.